In this video today we will see how to factory reset your Samsung phone when locked. So right now my phone is locked, and if I have to factory reset, what I will do is I will press this power on off button and hold for some time, and then I will select this restart button. And as soon as the phone restarts, what I will do is I have to press this Bixby button, volume up button, and this power on off button. So I will press and hold these three buttons when the phone restarts, and I will leave those buttons when Samsung logo appears on the screen. So let me do it. Let me at first press and hold this power on off button, restart, and then what I will do, I will press this Bixby button, volume up button, and power on off button at the same time, and then I will leave when this logo appears. So what happens is my phone will restart in recovery mode. Now if you factory reset your Samsung phone, then what you will do is you will actually erase all the content of your phone. So I have some menus here, and among them one option is factory reset. It is very small, so you might not be able to see the option. So if I have to move this selection down, then I have to press this volume down button. So let me press it, and then I have selected factory reset or wipe data. So once you do it, then everything will be erased from your phone, and then your phone will return back to the factory state. If I have to activate this menu, I have to press this power on off button like this, and it will ask me whether I want to really factory reset or not. If I have to, then I will press this volume down button and then select yes option, and then if I press this power on off button, what happens is my phone will be erased and it will return back to the factory state. So I won't be doing it right now, but this is the process. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.